What's up, Kaylas? Welcome back to my channel.
Yeah, that's what the bay like. Call me Buffy, cause that's what I slay like. These bitches, I smell like it's daylight. These niggas wanna know what it tastes like. What it tastes like, yo, what it tastes like, yo. They wanna know what it tastes like, yo. All this ice, it just tastes like snow. Get kimonos and let's fly to Tokyo. Pitchy, pitchy.
So, today's video is gonna be me doing my toes. But yeah, I'm doing my toes. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning. So I was like, why not make a video of me doing my toes? Why not? So, if you are new here, hi, my name is Kayla, and sometimes every week, depending, how my schedule run, I be trying to fit it into my schedule, but y'all, sometimes it be hard. But yeah, and I have some more videos coming soon. Few, little days or something. Y'all like my necklace? These little next few days, I'm finna be spoiling y'all, cause I mean, like, y'all need. I mean, we almost to like 200 subscribers. Period. And we need them. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers, and I know we can do it. Like my money. Got it from Deja's Dynasty. Period. Okay, so you will need nail polish. I got this from Family Dollar. No, Dollar General. It's the LA Colors color 164. It's just white. I'm doing my toes white. You will need nail clippers. Nail clippers, very much so. Nail files, so you can. And you will need fingernail polish remover. So let's do a thumbnail right quick. Okay. Boom. But yeah, I'm gonna set the camera up, and then oh yeah, you need tissue for the nail polish remover. So first we gonna go in and take the sock off. Look at my toe. But yeah, y'all, this how they look. They look at me. But we gonna fix. So yeah, let's get to the moisturize. We just gonna. I done rolled so many pieces of tissue off. Let's do these toes, honey. So first, you're gonna go in with the fingernail polish remover. We're just gonna get all these. We're just gonna pour a little, just a little bit, not too much. But if you pour too much, that's your business. Let's just take this. Okay, just gonna rub it out. We're gonna rub it out. First, we gotta clip these babies. So, you're gonna get your nail file, and you're gonna clip. I forgot y'all file your toenails, so no file. So as y'all can see, I have finished getting the nail polish and stuff off of my toes. Yes, okay. Now we're about to do the full routine. Let's go. Okay, y'all. Now we're about to go in with the polish. Okay, y'all, so now we're about to go in and do the second layer. Okay, y'all, so now that we finished them, I have to clean them up because, you know, they look a little dusty. When you cleaning up your nails, you will want to go in with a Q-tip so you can clean up all the excess stuff over there. So I'm gonna do that off the camera. So yeah, I'll see how we get back. Okay, y'all, so I just put the clear coat on and now I'm about to go in with my oil. This baby all dolled up. And they hate me too. Make sure you want to dry them for like 30 minutes so they can be, you know, fully dry, because you don't want your nails to be all bumpy and stuff. So it's just better to just, you know, stay on the safe side and just dry them for 30 minutes. Don't normally. Alright, so y'all, this is the finished product. Yeah, they're not perfect, but they're cute to me, so that is all that matters, period. So yeah, well, that's all for today's video, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video of me doing my toes. Don't forget to let them dry for 30 minutes. 30 minutes tops, y'all. Cause don't be too happy that you done did your own feet and then you out here with your feet looking like a 2-year-old did. Don't do that. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every time that I, Mykaylia, Kayla, post a video. I mean, it doesn't get no better than this, honey. Get into it. Get into it, baby. But yeah.
Period.
I will see you guys in the next video. Like my bestie be saying, bye.
Number pretty bitches talking in the trouble.